Should I buy or sell BOIL? The report for BOIL was first published on our website Thursday, March 2, 2023, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since March 2, 2023, our system ranks BOIL as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.610. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for BOIL, our last headline reads, BOIL ETF downgraded from hold/accumulate to sell candidate after Thursday trading session. The BOIL ETF price fell by -2.71% on the last day, Thursday, March 2, 2023, from $7.01 to $6.82. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 9.02% from a day low at $6.54 to a day high of $7.13. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 13.29% over the past 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -15 million shares and in total, 56 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $382.75 million. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $140.50, and the lowest price was $4.34. Right now the price is 95.15%, or $133.68, below 52-week high and 99.07%, or $729.98, below all-time high November 14, 2018 where the price hit $736.80. The ETF has broken the very wide and falling short-term trend up. Firstly, a slower falling rate is indicated, but this may very well be an early signal of a trend shift. On the reaction, there will be support on the roof of the current trend broken, which is $6.48, a level that may pose a second chance to hit a runner. According to fan theory, $15.47 will be the next possible trend top level and thereby pose a resistance level that may not be broken at the first attempt. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -82.73% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -100% and -83.58%. The 12-month trend indicates a -51.47% change over the next 12 months with a possible return between -100% and 425.42%. This equals a price between $0 and $35.83 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for BOIL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The BOIL ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the ETF giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the ETF will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $7.49. On a fall, the ETF will find some support from the short-term average at $6.18. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, March 1, 2023, and so far it has fallen -2.71%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume fell together with the price during the last trading day, and this reduces the overall risk as volume should follow the price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 286 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 55 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages holds a sell signal. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 118 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages buy signal 116 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Boyle. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.47 and $6.28. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the ETF then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Boyle finds support just below today's level at $6.47. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $6.28 and $5.47. This ETF may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the ETF moved $0.590 between high and low, or 9.02%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 10.78%. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Boyle meets first resistance at $7.01. If you do not hold Boyle shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Boyle finds first level of support at $6.47, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is Boyle ETF a buy? Boyle holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold/accumulate to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 3rd, we expect Boyle to open up $0.0100 and start trading at $6.83. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember